Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I would like to present the article about the influence of modern video games on children's second language acquisition by Muhammad Ali Ahsan, Ali Atma, Muhammad Nazri Latif Azmi, and Ishaku Hasan. So we move to the introduction. Advances in technology influence how and where language learning takes place. Nowadays, a language could be acquired a very engaging manner through digital game-based learning. Video games are prospective sources of second language input, but there is inadequate research on their effectiveness in children's language acquisition. Uh, learning learn Learning second language through video games is more likely to occur if practical conclusion can be drawn for empirical evidence. So next we move to the purpose. The purpose of the research is to determine the influences of video games on second language acquisition and evaluate the processes during the acquisition as well as the challenges of SLA. So the method the method of the research is in this research a 7-year-old female child named Khairatul Erina attends a primary school called Sekolah Rendah Kebangsaan Pulai Indah in Malaysia. The data were gathered through observation. The observation was concluded on five sequential days. This procedure was followed to ensure the adequate time is allocated to observe the subject. The researchers bought a new video game that consisted of intermediate and advanced levels of the English language. The focus of the observation was to investigate the factors that influence the subjects on the process in which language acquisition occurs. Lastly, the observation focused on the challenges during language acquisition. So the next is the results of the research. First, during the observation, Arena had shown remarkable progress in acquiring several new vocabularies and was able to spell the words correctly with guidance. So, after observing Arena for 5 days, the researchers categorized the results into three major themes, namely factors influencing SLA, processes during SLA, and challenges of SLA. Besides, Arena was able to roughly understand the instruction in the game, which didn't hinder her progression. In some children. The results of Arena had shown the acquired several new vocabularies. Shows that Arena can adapt and acquire language much faster and at an early age. So the second result is Arena learn new vocabularies through firstly imitating the sound, then repeating the words with initiative and asking for the meaning of words. Every instant Arena heard a new word, she kept repeating the word multiple times as an instinct, ultimately recognizing the word in the process. However, she didn't comprehend the literal meaning behind those words. Besides, after recognizing the new vocabularies, Arena instinctive habit was to ask the researchers or her family members on the word's meaning. Then the next is the last result is during the observation, Arena had uttered several vulgar words such as damn, shit, bastard, etc. Such video games could be an effective way of learning new vocabularies, but with the detrimental effects during the observation, Harina can Arena say the several vulgar words. The As the time progressed, Irina had learned of the implication of using vulgar words and avoided using such words. Irina used vulgar words because she thought that the words mean little to no hostily. As such, she thought that vulgar words were equivalent to the Malay word bodoh, which translates to the idiot. Next. Next, we move to the discussion. And no. So this is the evidence of the result from Arena. She acquired several new vocab such as days, magic, work, mix, attack, flee, catalyst, and item. And then the second word is indicates the meaning of the recorded vocabularies based on Arena explanation such as explode and push away, go in, I attack first, they attack first, I hit them like what the birds do, go down fast and drive the car, I win, I lose. So this phrase is Arena repeating in the video game. Next is the discussion of the result. So the discussion is the mundane style of learning disturbs their lexical and comprehension skills. According to Postic, the idea of using modern video games as a means of language acquisition was too irregular. And then thus the researchers believe that using video games could eliminate this limitation because creating a non-threatening atmosphere as expressed by Postic could help the subject to learn without any restriction. Arena explained that learning the classroom context was uninteresting to her as opposed to interaction with television channels and video games. The subject even asked why she couldn't choose what she want to learn rather than being forced to learn based on the syllabus. In the researcher's opinion, the usage of video game was like a double-edged sword. Although the freedom of learning in the learner's own space is preferable. So the conclusion of the research is this research examine the influences of video games on children language acquisition. The results show that video games could influence children's second language acquisition through vocabulary development, interactivity, and communication. It was found that children learn by adapting their schema through imitation and trial error. Game designers should be mindful of the use of vulgar language to avoid its negative influence on children. By stipulating the pedagogical implication of modern video games, the research could be valuable material for educationists and curriculum developers. So I think that's all of my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.